Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog at we are up as in sleep was okay, nothing great about it. Right now it is 11 o'clock and my daughter is still sleeping. Ishan also woke up now, we were playing with him into bed and he's gone to sleep. We all are freshening up, gonna have my breakfast now. I am not going inside and keeping it. No. So Ishan is inside the room, and the task is for me to go and keep the brush and things like that. I said I'm not doing it right away. Nah. So why? Because if he gets up, then all are just behind him and things like that. It's okay right now, but what is Bhavna doing is just a little bit of breakfast, so you can just snack up a little bit. Sahana was not feeling well. She had got a little of feverish, not fever, feverish. Hope she's fine. She's not on a medication. The thing because it's not above 100 degrees Celsius, which is very good. Maybe warm she needs. It was quite cold, and a little bit of climate change also. Since that is done, Sahil has gone for his shoot. He's gonna meet us late night. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ सहाना? ये अभी भी सो रही है ना? हाँ? She just picked up when she went. She knows I'm vlogging. She had come to wake her up, but no signs of her to wake up. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. वो उठ जाएगा ईशान. As I was saying, that's the whole thing. And for now, the entire catch is we're going out to a mall somewhere far, maybe 1.5 hour journey. 1 hour journey to one mall. Thing so Infinity or something. Going to see what sale and thing like that is there. Eat, have fun, and come back home. That's the plan A for today. For plan B for tomorrow, it's the whole another thing. Wow. Rim चाय बन गया.
चाय गरम अदरक वाली चाय.
Got an input from the ladies inside that my voice through or the voice is not so great because yes, while vlogging I'm conscious and the advice is to put a mic, so maybe mic is an answer. Let's do that. Look at yourself. Okay, here everybody's getting ready. So people are getting ready. Some have gone. Let's go. पानी का बोतल ले लिया?
नहीं, हम लोग का
छोटा बोतल बस. Kids, let's go down. Good, come, let's go. Both are matching. And this is how I look. I look with the mask and weird thing, yes, but this is how I am. Sahana and Ira both having matching ear specs. Come slowly. Let's go. Wait for them. Go for a taxi or Ola right now. See this. People, especially Aarti going, Ira going for the first time in metro and waiting for the metro to come. Right now it will take around 1 hour for us to reach to the point that we are going. So good that we had lunch and we are leaving right now. Time is around 3:35. Love mama now because mama gave you something. Why are you laughing at? So yes, we are at an Orbit Mall. Roam for a while, no shopping, but yes, junk food.
One more small piece of dosa, soft part.
Soft part. Yeah, मेरे यहाँ पे मेरे पास है, ले लो.
नहीं है, spicy नहीं है. बिल्कुल spicy
Oh
नहीं
my
है.
goodness. So these two people right in front of me. So we have come from one mall to other mall. hoping we get some good options of shopping. And yes, not to forget these two people over here. Ladies just chit chatting for quite a long time. Who
Maybe
is it?
just a cubicle. And I saw one cockroach also.
Good, got a good review for this Infinity Mall over here. Christmas is all over here. And guess what I spotted is one. You can see this? All the way. There is a giant wheel and a lot of other things, activities on top. Right now we'll go down. There's a store called Zara, so that's where we are going.
केला किधर है? वहाँ से तब
Ira is tired. She is tired. Wants to sleep. And other people are shopping inside the store. And yes, lot of kids, including my child. Little bit of shopping and nice place for kids to come out, and I don't know, but a lot of things to do over here. For now, going inside. Let us see. Height is Aarti with Ishan. Kids are here and Bhavana is there. And they are going for a round. I don't know how Ishan is going to enjoy or not. Oh my god. I think so. You have to get a slept, right? He'll get dizzy. Jhula. I hope he's not dizzy. Let us see. Hope for the best. See these things and enjoy. क्या टाइम पास चल रहा है. I thought they wanted an expensive ride on a metro, the world's most expensive ride. What a time pass.
उल्टे तरफ नहीं लाना. चल कर. चलेगा. हाँ. Yes. Correct. Yes. Yes. Come on.
Nice. The bigger lady. You're watching outside, right? Yes. And what Ishan is doing? Chupchap hai. Reality of having two kids and one not sleeping at any cost. Art is trying her level best to put the child to sleep. Gardeners about it. The other one is right over there doing time pass. We have just reached and we are super tired right now. It's nearly 10:30. Our food order is just given. We ate snacks here and there. Ishan was at the top of his voice, like screaming and screeching. These two also was. Both were, but right now after reaching home, they are just different mode. These two play around. So Ishan went to sleep. Let's wait for food and let's chill.
Waiting for your cake. I'm waiting for your cake.
वो चपाती है.
It is chapati, Sarada.
ये
You
chapati
make,
है,
you
वो
make.
cake
I'm
बना.
waiting for your cake. Okay?
She's made chapati, design chapati. You make cake. Beautiful cake.
साहिल को भूख लगा है. साहिल को क्या खिला रहा है? Slime.
A great slime tonight.
Since it's late, Sahil just reached some time back. Lot of noise over here.
I want to do sit-down.
Okay, so yeah, everybody is sleeping over here. One is down, second one will go down. Two people are doing some massage over here. And which is, guys, you have a nice day. Just want to say good night and
Ciao, ciao.